Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best fire starters that you can buy today. I would put the ability to make fire right behind water, shelter, and food in the list of most important things in a survival situation. Fortunately for us, fire is much easier to come by today. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing fire starters. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best fire starters, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the UST Sparkie Fire Starter. The Sparkie is a one-handed wonder that requires either A, hard surface, or B, two hands. I hate the concept, and I'm exceptionally impressed by the 0.8 ounces weight, but the ease of use and functionality fell short on this one. I'd much prefer a simple two-piece striker. The Sparkie is lightweight and made mostly of plastic, which is not always a good thing. If I was going to rely on a Sparkie to save my life, I would want two of them. The Sparkie worked well under normal conditions. I like the weight and the size of it. I also like the fact that you could use it with just one hand. I am a little suspect of the durability of the plastic case, which, if it failed, could be a catastrophic equipment failure, causing the Sparkie to not work. And at number 4 is the überleben Zünden Fire Starter. The überleben is slick-looking, with its natural, handcrafted handle and ferrocerium rod. Without being a chemist, this fire starter convinced me that ferrocerium can vary widely in quality, and the ferrocerium in this rod is top-notch. The überleben sent some of the longest, brightest, and most consistent sparks, despite being comparative in size to the smaller StrikeForce. The brand claimed to produce a molten metal shower of sparks, and it delivered. The überleben is also a multi-tool of sorts, coming with a bottle opener, hex wrench, map scale, ruler, and both scraper and serrated edge for sparking. Not to mention that the lanyard is long enough that you can wear it as a necklace, which is kind of fun. The third product on our list is the Gerber Grylls Fire Starter. You may expect a celebrity-endorsed product to fall short when pitted against the big dogs, but TV survivalist Bear Grylls has put his money where his mouth is with this easy-to-use, beginner-friendly rod and striker. The sides have been painted with helpful distress graphics in case of emergency, and the rubber handle makes it easy to hold in your hand, an ideal feature for the practicing survivalist. The rod is made of ferrocerium and produces a hearty dose of sparks when used correctly. I'd recommend this starter for beginners or as a holiday gift for the camper who already owns everything. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the UST StrikeForce. The UST StrikeForce is the bulkiest and one of the heaviest starters we tested. So why is it our number 2 pick? Though it's certainly not for ultralighters, the StrikeForce is incredibly easy to use and makes great use of space. Unmatched reliability aside, the Flint-based starter is housed in a durable, waterproof case. The case doubles as a handy storage compartment for tinder and comes with a lanyard as well. Though it's flint-based, the length and width of the rod makes for lots of big happy sparks that ensure a quick switch fire. The fires we lit with the StrikeForce were consistently instantaneous, making this a great tool for both beginners and emergency situations. The size of the container is a tad bit bulky but not bad. At 3.7 ounces, the weight is not a major consideration. The two pieces are dummy corded together, making them hard to lose. I like the extra compartment to store tinder or a piece of wet fire. Overall, the StrikeForce is a quality product. The best fire starter is the EXOTAC nanoSTRIKER XL. The ultimate keychain companion, the nanoSTRIKER. Its tiny size makes it an easy addition to your pocket for those in a pinch situations. This XL is a slightly larger version of EXOTAC's original nanoSTRIKER. With a marginally thicker ferrocerium and magnesium rod and a larger tungsten carbide striking tool, the XL is easier to hold and can produce a hotter spark. The tiny tool fits on a keychain and can easily be screwed apart and then reassembled into the fire starter. When screwed together, it's also completely waterproof, making it one of the best fire starters on the market today. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.